Morning. Another project I'm going to show you guys how to make. It's an easy one. All you need is a chunk of wood and a chainsaw, a drill bit, a drill, a few bits or whatever. It's made from a chunk of wood. Gonna crack up when it dries out. Show you guys how to do it. There's an 1.5 inch hole in that one. There's 1 1/8 in that one for chickadees. There's a seasoned chunk of wood. There's a green chunk of wood, not seasoned. Doesn't matter what you use. As you can see right here, sawed the bottom off. And then I drilled at the bottom of it and put that back on. I'll show you how it's done. Folks, I always try to use a piece of wood. I got a hole up through it. It's easier for the chainsaw. It don't matter. If you use one with a hole up through it, when you cut off your bottom here, or your bottom plate, you're going to have to plug this hole so that it covers. So the birds goes in through, they won't drive it through the bottom. So right now, I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to cut this here with my chainsaw. I don't have a carving tip or anything on my chain. It's just a one that I use in the wood for cutting firewood. So be careful when you're putting in through here. I'm going to cut off about 1 inch thick here first before it goes in through, so that way I can cover the thing afterwards. Now when I start the chainsaw, please put your sound down on mute, because there's nothing more irritating than someone revving and working the trigger on a chainsaw. Really irritating. Perhaps I might put a nice song to this. Show you along the way. As I'm about to tip the saw in through there, you got to be really careful. So anyone that uses a chainsaw knows that. I just attached this there with a couple screws. I went in about 6 inches. This piece now I'll put there to cover up the hole there, right? That's what I was trying to explain to you guys before. I can't go in too far, because when you tapers in here for get to slope the roof, you're going to hit the sides, the hole that you're already cut up through. That's plenty big there for a chickadee's nest or a sparrow, whatever. So yeah, I just attached that with 2 big 3-inch screws, hold it a bit secure. I went with a different chunk of wood. This is the seasoned one, so my guys, show you along the way. Now guys, I'm going to shape out the roof here now. I'm going to go from down about right here and come up. I'm going to put like a curve in the roof. Something like what they call is it a hobby house or something? This one here, I put a curve into it too. Then I'll come inside and carve away. I'll leave about 8-inch gap all around for the eave, and then I'll taper it in on the side. I'll keep this the same size. I'll just round it afterwards. It don't matter when it comes off here if this ridge line is straight, even, either way. It all looks good. Okay guys, gals, can you see what I'm talking about? There's a little curve into it. I'll lift this on here now because you can show like that's part of the eave, right? Carve this out a bit more here. I'll put the hole down here, a little thing there from the pitch on. I get them attached here with screws again, get to some stability. I'll turn it around and do the back side, and I'll show you how I put the pattern in the roof. I'm going to finish the chainsaw work now. Back to you guys later. Hey guys, this is what I'm going to clear this down a bit, smooth it off a bit. This here works good. I'll just for the single lock, I'll show you. Anyway guys, I'm going to finish this. I'm going to smooth all this off around here. I might leave that there just for the little perch. Put the hole on this side. You can always figure out what side looks the best. I think this one might. This one here, I think I'm just going to leave like this here. And this is a seasoned chunk of wood, so this might stay on there pretty good. Anyway guys, I'll show you when it's finished. Guys, I drilled the hole with a keyhole saw, 1/8, 1 1/8. Just a little twig there for perch. I'll drill a hole through here now, so I'm hanging up with a piece of string, piece of chain. 1 1/8 is good for our chickadees, swallows. If it's any bigger than that, I don't think they'll use it. I'm not sure now. Anyway guys, I got to put something out there. If anyone got a brochure of about feeding the birds and that because of the disease and that, I'll be able to get one so I can share with the people here in Northern Peninsula too. I know we're discovering a few songbirds that are dead by their bird nesters and that or whatever, and I'm wondering if this is what's going on. We got to get the word out there to take down our feeders or stop feeding our songbirds during the summer months. I know we got a lot of predators too. The blue jay and the squirrel. They're taking a big toll on the birds here. I know it's part of nature. But then again, if there's owl loot pitched out on the top of your garage there and your dog is there, he comes down and takes your dog, I guess that's part of nature too. I don't agree with it. I don't agree with too many squirrels around the same area either. So you gotta try to keep it balanced there somewhere. Anyway guys, like I always say, some lucky winner is going to win what can I call it? A birdhouse, but it's I can't call it a log. Yes, I can call it a log birdhouse, I guess. Short log. Anyway guys, anyone makes a have to be a subscriber, make a comment, like and share. I'll send one of these line. I hope I don't have to send it too far because it's going to cost a fortune, but that's it. Oh, I gotta put this plate on there too. You can always remove it if need to be to clean it out. And I might make a smaller version of this so it won't be so expensive to send. But if not, I don't seem that heavy. I'll go to the lady there in the post office and she can give me some rough estimate what it is. She's going to have a laugh when I walk in through the door with this stuff. Anyway guys, I hope you like it. Got any questions? Feel free to ask. Anyone can make it. Just be careful with that chainsaw. Thanks guys. Now guys, you can stain this any color you want to, or stain it any, or paint it, I mean. I think it looks great, this natural. It's going to go blend in, get darker, lighter. It's going to crack up, but then again, how many birds got a nice place to go in like that with a shelter roof over it? I got to show you on one of these when I carved it out. I carved it in because I put the hole too deep there. I just put a bit of glue mixed in with sawdust, pressed it in there. Perfect. The birds will thank us for it. Anyway guys, like I said, be a subscriber, make a comment about anything, it doesn't matter, like and share. Thank you guys. Good luck to y'all.